Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome PDF Viewer rendering errors step by step, fully updated for 2026. Sometimes PDFs don't load correctly in Chrome, appear blank, or fail to render due to settings, extensions, or outdated software. Here's how to solve it. First, check if the built-in Chrome PDF Viewer is enabled. Open Chrome, type Chrome://plugins in the address bar, and press Enter. Make sure the PDF viewer is active. Next, disable extensions that may interfere with PDF rendering. Go to Chrome://extensions and temporarily disable PDF-related or ad blocking extensions. Refresh the PDF and check if it loads properly. Now clear Chrome's cache. Go to Settings arrow, Privacy and Security arrow, Clear Browsing Data, select Cached Images and Files, and click Clear Data. Cached content can sometimes prevent PDFs from loading correctly. If the problem persists, try opening the PDF in incognito mode. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus N on Windows or Command plus Shift plus N on Mac. If it loads there, the issue is likely caused by extensions or cached data. Another tip is to update Chrome. Go to Chrome://settings/help and install any available updates. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues with the PDF viewer. Finally, if the PDF still won't render, download it and open with an external PDF application. This ensures access while troubleshooting Chrome. And that's it. By enabling the built-in PDF viewer, managing extensions, clearing cache, testing in incognito, updating Chrome, and using external viewers as a last resort, you can fix Chrome PDF viewer rendering errors safely and effectively. If this guide helped you, like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more step-by-step Chrome tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.